Hey guys, what's going on? And this video today, we're going to be going over some of my abstract paintings that I made. So, as you can see here, I have one, two, three, I have about 6 canvases here. And what I ended up doing was I wanted to make some abstract art. So, I used about one, two, three, four. I used about 4 or 5 different colored paint. I didn't use like normal, I used like real paint, I went to, if you guys are in the US, I mean, you got Home Depot and Lowe's. I went to Lowe's, and at Lowe's, if you go to the paint area, they have that shelf. I call it the reject shelf. The reject shelf has all the good brand paints. Let's say someone, uh, they didn't like the paint, they return it. So rather selling it for 50 to like $100, I mean, you can pick those gallons of paint up for anywhere from about like $7 to $20. It's $7 to $20. The price is different depending on how much paint is in there, the color of the paint, the type of paint. I've gotten some pretty good colored paints for, you know, $10, all the way up to 20. 20 was like brand new, like Sherwin Williams, whatever it's called. And yeah, I mean, even when they scan it, it's about like $100, but uh, they have, I don't know, some code thing saying that it's the reject one, and I get it for $20, the $10, whatever it may be. But I just wanted to go into the detail here. First, I had like a gray base, right? I went and painted all these like gray first, and I just wanted something so that way the paint could stick onto it. This is all like latex-based paint, so again, it's waterproof. It's all that cool stuff, like as if you're buying paint for your house. So I think it's really nice. I threw in some pink in there, some reds, orange, uh, purple. I mean, you name it, I got it. And I don't really know what to call this color. Maybe like a dark turquoise or something. A blue green. It's mostly, I mean, you're just looking at the color and the design, right? I mean, um, there's not really much else to it. I mean, you just have the design of the paint like splatting on, and me like going over with my brush a bit. But I mean, otherwise, I mean, it's completely random. You can't replicate the shapes and the figures that you see here. I mean, you can use the same color paints, but are you gonna get the same exact design? Most likely not. I mean, you can't really replicate that. You can try, you get pretty close, but I can't say that you'll be able to get it 100% the same. And as you can see here, I mean, it started to get dark. Again, I painted this about like 2, 3 days ago, and I had a lot of runoff paint. And I noticed I had gotten some on my shoe, as you can see. But anyways, the runoff paint, it was starting to go off the corner right here. So I just went and got some more canvases. And here what we have here, check it out. Um, I ended up leaving it like overnight, of course, and I checked it the next morning, and I didn't realize there was going to be that much paint runoff, but I think it looked really cool. I mean, if you've ever seen lava like cooling down, or been to Hawaii or to any volcanoes, I mean, you can tell that this is really the texture of and the look of what it looks like when the lava is like cooling. So I want to do something neat with this. I even have some of like the excess paint over here, like in the dirt. Uh, Now it's dry. I was trying to pick it up yesterday, and it was still pretty wet. I mean, you can hear or not hear you can feel the paint like going like the liquid form underneath this top part. But I mean, I peel off the leaves and I clean it up, right? I mean, I don't want the dirt or the leaves on it, but you can frame it, and it just looks really cool. Yeah, I got to clean that up on the back. I've done this before where I just frame it, and it looked really nice on its own. And I definitely have the excess skins on my table as well. But I mean, look at this. You got all this over here too. I can pick this up. I want to say I have some. Yep, I do. This is before I realized that the paint was dripping, because I was working on the other side. And again, it was dark. But I mean, look at that. I can take that and I can easily put it into a frame, and just I have to maybe clean it up a bit. Maybe take off some of the dirt. But I mean, that's what I got there, and it looks really cool. I had a bowling ball that looks like this. For anyone that bowls, I mean, the Total Inferno, that's what it was. And these are the similar colors. Total accident. I did not plan on making the paint look like this. I mean, it was totally worth it. And it looks like a lot of paint, but in reality, I mean, I didn't use that much paint. Again, but I mean, it can be subjective, you know. But I think it looked really cool. And this is attached to it. Maybe I can like wrap it around or something. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's full on stuck. It's full on stuck. I can like rip it. And I can rip it. I can attach it. I can do a whole bunch of stuff. But let me zoom in here, and you can like see the detail of like, I guess. I mean, obviously the paint wasn't hot, right? But as it was turning from, you know, liquid to this rubbery texture, I mean, you can definitely see. You can see the pathway of when the paint was liquid, and it was starting to harden up. So I think this looks really cool. You can't. I mean, I'm shooting in 4K. I don't know what you're looking at this video in, but you can see the fine details. If I angle it right, I mean, look at that. You can see like the pattern of where the paint was going. You can even see, like, of course, the rocks and everything else. The camera has like an autofocus. But again, there's some more paint down there. Yeah, I mean, I can take that and I can turn it into, I don't know, something. I can put it on a frame. Some people make like pendants and stuff out of this, but I don't know. There's just a whole lot of different things. I got this excess paint runoff over here as well. Got this leaf. I think it's stuck. Yep, it's stuck too. But I mean, it's cool. And over here, I got some more over here. I'm trying to reach over here. I'm like squatting down right now. And there's some of the orange, and it's like mixed with like some red and pink. I mean, it just looks nice. Look at that. You clean that up. I mean, I don't even know what it looks like. If you have an idea of what this looks like, it kind of looks like a spoon. But leave a comment down below and like the video. Leave a comment of what you think this thing looks like. Even looks like kind of like a dumbbell or something. I have no idea. A lot of random things here. Got this over here. Again, you can see like the fine details. You can see even some of the gray in there. The purple, the orange. There's a whole lot of. It looks kind of cool. It kind of looks like a laughing face. If you've seen, I don't know. I'm trying to think what show that's from or what game that's from. But yeah, I mean, like I have to clean that up. I don't want that on the back. But yeah, check out the details. I mean, I don't know if you see any patterns in here or any shapes or figures. I mean, leave a comment down below. If you look up here, you can kind of see like a smiling face and like some eyes and like some ears. That's what I see. Let me know what you guys see. And man, if I get this video to, I don't know, 1,000 likes, I'll mail it to you. There you go. 1,000 likes and I'll mail it to you. Simple. That's it. See if I even get 1,000 views on this video. I don't know. Let's go up and more of the runoff over here. Some of this stuff, I don't know if it's thick enough to be able to peel off. It might just be, this one I might be able to peel it off a bit. This one I definitely can. I can feel it. This I can feel it. I mean, that's just red paint. That looks like a chili pepper or something, you know. But you have all these unique shapes. This kind of looks like the bottom part of Africa or like South America. It looks kind of cool. Keep on going down this way. This kind of looks like an elephant, like a scared elephant. Got the two legs. You got like the scary face right there. This right here, I don't know, maybe like someone like a dragon snake or something like that, or like a giant fish. I mean, like a fish, like a fish skeleton. Like here's like the tail, here's the body, here's like a couple fins, and here's the head, like a fish skeleton maybe. If you look at it right there, let me know what you guys think. Yeah, leave a comment if you see something that I don't see. You know, I always like to hear and see different people's perspectives of what they have on art. You know, here, what do I see here? I don't even know. Maybe like a lion's head or something. Maybe like a puma or something. If you know the Puma brand, maybe. I have no idea. It's kind of like the eye, the head, the body, like a lean body. I have no idea. To be like a panther, maybe. I don't know. Over here, like a manta ray or manatee, or no, not a manatee. The stingrays, is that what they're called? The ones in the ocean that kind of like flap out like that. I think that's what that looks like. Or it's like the head part of it. and goes back. This part, I have no idea what this is. Maybe like a horse or something, a horse and someone riding the horse. I don't know, I don't see anything really. Could be another fish head maybe. Over here, I don't know what I see. I like, maybe another head, like an alligator head or something like that, or a dinosaur head. I don't know, right there. See the mouth opening, a shark head with no teeth. A shark head is teeth knocked out. Get into a fight with another shark. I don't know, I have no idea, man. Like, what do I see? Kind of maybe like a sky or something. These are like something falling or something. And then these are like some mountains. These can be like clouds. Over here, this is kind of looks like a, I don't even know what it looks like. This looks like something. You can kind of see like a fisheye right here, but honestly, that's like a hole in the, that's a hole in the wood of the table. So that's kind of like worked out. But I don't know what that looks like. But I'm gonna do like one quick pan shot over again. This video is approaching, like 11 minutes, so one right over here. And I'm just gonna go like, just so you guys can take a look at the art. I mean, it looks really cool. I'm gonna end up like taking it apart. It looks kind of black on the film, but to be honest, this is purple. Okay, zoom in closer. If you can tell, it's purple. It's kind of maybe, it looks a little bit darker on camera than what it actually is, but maybe when my brightness isn't up that high on the phone, so maybe it'll show up different. But yeah, let's look at this over here. This looks really cool, just seeing it all like that. Here, I'll do like a full-on view from up top. Go over here. You guys can just take a look at all of it. Here it is. I'm gonna go back this way. Do a slow pan around. Slow pan around. And there you go. That's my art. Let me know what you guys think of it. I'm gonna be making a lot more of these type of videos, a lot more of this paint. I have tons of paint and tons of canvases. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, like the video, dislike the video if you think it sucks. Leave a comment down below, and share it with your friends. If you share it with your friends, I don't know, post it to Facebook too. Maybe wherever, whatever social media you guys got, Facebook, whatever. I want to be able to see if more and more people can see my paintings. And I got a whole bunch of other stuff on my channel as well, so it's bound to find the interest of someone. But anyways, that's about it. That's all I got for you guys, and hopefully you guys liked it. Again, subscribe, like the video, dislike the video, leave a comment, do something. So anyways, I'm out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.